So this is the new Nelko PM220. The paper just drops right in, just like this. Bring it down, click it into place. Paper draws out, ready to go. Blue light means go. Here's the app. Got the USB port for charging right here. I've already printed a couple things out. I'm going to show you a couple things. Got templates. So you can make QR codes, whatever you'd like. You've got AI features with different pictures. You got a little chart over here with all the different pictures, things that you can print. Okay. Then here, this little plus sign, you push that. Then you double click, and that's how you start editing. Keyboard will come up, and you can start editing what you want to say. Graduation, class of 2024. Confirm. Here's where you can select your font size. Now I want mine a little bit bigger. Okay. Then you go over here to font, and you can change the different fonts. Find one that you like. I prefer this one. And if you go back here to function area, you can actually see this little smiley face? Gives you different images that you can pop in there with your words or whatever you'd like for it to say. You can pop you an image in there. I'm gonna do this rose in here. You can mess with it, kind of play with it a little bit and make it whatever size you need to. Well, okay. There we go. It's hard to do one-handed. Put it right up there next to it. And we're going to hit print. And here you go. There you go. And you just pull up. Tears it off. Look at that. Perfect. And it would line a little better if I would have played with it more. But you can sit here and play with it and figure it out. I've already made a few of them. They look really nice. It doesn't smear. I mean, it's dry. It's like instant dry. It's great. Really good size labels. You can use this for address labeling, QR codes, whatever you're looking for. They've all turned out really good. And there you have it. The new Nelko PM220. It's great. I highly recommend it.
When I plugged it in, it only took a moment for this to charge up. So it's already ready to go wirelessly. Nelko thermal label printer review. Super cool. This is the PM220. Your paper's usually like the P110. And when you get it, you get your cable. It is charging right now. And you'll need your own battery pack to go in the wall, but it's USB. It is literally smaller than my hand. When you raise this up and you'll pop in your roll, make sure you slide this all the way against the roll. Barely put the roll there. Let me put the paper there. I'm going to put the door down. Make sure that is laying in there just the way I have it. Close your door. And it automatically synchronizes it and sets it into place. So now it's calibrated and ready to go. Your power button, and this is your feed, your label feed. I printed these labels in like 3 seconds. I downloaded the app. It is in the Google Play Store. It tells you all that on this paper right here. A quick start, and it literally took me longer to type in the word blueberry than it did to print off 5 labels. I mean, lickety split. Highly recommend the Nelko thermal label maker, and it'll be paying off for you in draws. It's a small amount that will give you instant results, and you can label all of your cannon and your freezer items, so you make sure what you have and you know what you're giving your family, and there's no trouble in identifying what you have in your containers. Definitely a great product, and I recommend it. Absolutely. Get the Nelko thermal printer. That's another great thing about this printer, is you can take it on the go if you want to. More bang for your buck.
I chose to have a frame, and you see that it's even cut off here. It's not taking the line density itself. You see that it's not even centered, even though I did everything on the app. It was supposed to come up perfect if it's by what I set up everything. So it's not as friendly as it should be. So considering on returning it, looking on reviews for other options.
Super helpful little product. It can fit in the palm of my hand. Immediately connected through Bluetooth on the app. The labels came out very clear. They stick it here on this metal shelf here in my garage. Made it a little more organized. The only issue was some of the ink wasn't super working great. Maybe about 10 of them in. But then I just left it alone for a minute, and then it started working again just fine. So I'm totally gonna 4 stars.
Garbage. Look at this. Yeah, Yeah, I know this thing's cheap and you're gonna be tempted to buy it, but it's just not worth it. So steer clear.